Jay, are you ready with the video?
Yeah. He already started.
Okay. Ready? After three, Robert, come on. Three. After three. Three.
Two. One.
Go!
I still see it. I don't see it.
There.
There it is. Did the parachute deploy?
No parachute.
Oh god.
It's just,
It's just slowly.
There. Over the school now.
It's getting hard
To the right hand end of the school. Ruin lane.
I can't see it anymore.
I know.
I have no idea where it is.
Right there, above the light stand.
I don't even know what it's like.
On the roof of the school. Oh,
How do
nearly
you,
hit the
you're
car.
blind anyway. I'm blind
I think
anyway.
it's on the roof of the CWS building.
It's on.
Is it gone?
It's on the roof. It's on the roof.
So they've all drifted that way a little bit today. So we're going to aim a little bit further this way, so we're going to try and land it in the field. Okay.
Is your rocket gone?
Next.
It's on the roof. Shane, let's yours.
Justin, why are you running all the way?
No, you're
Why are
just-
you running back there? Oh, watch it, just hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Although being up here, I'm
Last.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Let's see if Shane's parachute actually deployed.
After three, please.
Three,
2,
1. Holy gosh!
That's on the force, okay?
Where'd it go?
It's all
That's 6 seconds.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Stop!
Was that 6 seconds?
No parachute. That's in the Bruce pit.
Bye!
Well, at least you saw it.
Bye! Shane, I hope you took pictures.
Nice parachute. They're totally working.
You guys shouldn't even be talking. Waste of garbage bag.
See ya.
That's in the force, isn't it?
If I'm gonna break it, I'd rather break it now.
Ready that?
Who's next?
Fires on our piece?
Come on, Reza, you can do
Okay,
it.
do we just hold the launch button until they...
No,
You just
you
press
just
it
like
down.
press S3.
Phaser, do you want me to videotape?
Yeah.
1.
Then hold this.
Press it.
2, 1.
No,
This
Robert,
is
hold
3DS. 3DS picture.
Let's see if yours actually goes up and like goes back down.
Well, it's too
You're probably
windy.
not gonna follow it. Face it, move. You're in the way.
You're in the way of your own rocket launching.
At least I got a picture of mine before I watched it.
Yeah. Should videotape it. You have to videotape it and then be like, this is why I lose my stuff.
Jay, can you send me mine to my email? Thank you.
And there's phases.
No, you're not.
Picked up dust in 3D literally.
Well, you're doing the launching. You're doing the launching. Are you launching it or I'm launching it first? It's really the pleasure of launching someone else's rocket. Yeah, or else it will go on the roof just like mine. What?
Yeah.
What happened? What happened?
What?
What happened to you?
I just fell. You like slipped on that.
Okay, try stepping on here.
Behind the fence.
Yeah,
Who's
you're
launching this?
Phaser.
Go on, Beza.
Why is it tilted?
It's supposed to. Just like mine, or else it will just be like mine.
Don't say that on video.
Which won't be the best idea.
Why you
No, it's
stand
not.
there?
This way.
Okay. Ready?
No, but
Funny.
gonna do it. Yeah.
After three.
3, 2,
And you're launching it. You're pressing at 3.
After three.
yeah.
Go.
3,
3,
2,
1.
go. Where is
Where the?
Parachute.
Oh, is that it?
That was it.
Did you hear that?
Does it have a parachute or?
I didn't have a parachute. I just
Fence line. Fence line.
I guess we'll never know for sure.
I guess the parachutes are not the plan.
We shouldn't throw a GoPro.
Really should. It would probably fall off.
Bye.
The wind's too strong. It's it's like 19 kilometers an hour. Usually we don't usually launch these when it gets over 6.
Can you videotape my hands?
Oh, my feet are
Oh my
freezing.
gosh, this is gonna be.
I'm behind Robert.
Probably would kill me.
He's on
Hey!
This is gonna be interesting. Don't get in the way of my rocket.
Let's see, you're just like.
I kind of like it better that the parachute didn't go off. Because then it just goes
This
farther.
goes off. This goes off.
Mr. Waters, did my parachute go off?
I think everyone's parachute go off, but just like it doesn't
No, I
work.
think because the parachute goes off, it doesn't come. The wind blows it away because of the parachute.
Probably because of parachute.
So, Mr.
So mine
Waters,
doesn't go open. That's why I want you to room.
rocket? If it does, I'll remember it.
Shane, guess yours open and it got blown away by the wind.
Well, mine says Cookie Monster and it says nothing with Bell High School or anything on it. So.
Me neither.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I heard that too.
Yours got on by high school. Yours got by high school. On it.
Somebody got hit by my rocket. If it did, I give you $1.
$1. I give you $10.
That would be pretty funny, just looking up into the sky.
I would offer to help pay
Hey,
the
look,
fee
a
that you
rocket's
have
coming
It's
my
like,
way.
oh, look, I got hit by a toilet paper
Damn
roll.
it.
What?
Okay.
Last one.
Exploded telephone.
Behind Mr. Waters.
After 3.
2, 3, 2, 1. Fire?
What?
Go.
No. No.
Restart. 3, 2, 1.
Nice job starting. I totally just lost it. It's behind.
Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it back this way.
I see it.
I see it. It's launched the parachute. It's to the right. It's perfect.
It's coming.
You're gonna catch it. You're gonna catch it. Go and stand over there. Go and stand over there. Go and stand.
Where do you guys see
It's
it?
coming down quick. Just above the pine tree.
Yeah, we can.
You're right there. You're gonna catch it. You're gonna catch it.
Well, that one worked.
5. Oh!
He caught it, but the parachute came off.
I think he just ripped the
Champion! We finally got the direction.
Yeah, on the last
I had to fire it literally so far that way.
Guess I lost my rocket.
I tell you, that's a good job the parachute deployed, otherwise you'd have been in the middle of the woods.
somewhat intact.
Congratulations, that's the best one today.
Mine did not deploy. Mine on the
Good
right.
effort, Dunstan.
I
I think
got the
that
parachute and
I
the gone.
think that deserves a prize. Well done. Okay, the end. I need my 2 volunteers to carry the launch pad.